Yes, what's good, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video on the Brazil FX trading. So traders, today I want to show you how you can be able to grow your small accounts. I know most of you guys have small accounts, but to do that I'm going to be showing you how to grow your account using a cent account, because most of you guys are afraid of depositing money. So I'm going to be showing you. So the first things first, guys, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe and let's get started with this video. So traders, first things first, what is a cent account? A cent account is a trading account on which the balance is displayed in cents and the transactions are carried out in cents as well. So if this means that if you deposit $10, you would have 1,000 cents in your account. Trading on a cent account is low risk, therefore it's an excellent choice for Forex beginners. So traders, if you're a beginner trader and you want to learn how to grow your account, or you want to backtest your strategies, this is the best account to do it, as you can see. So I'm going to be showing you. So I deposited $1, which is 100 cents on this account. Right here, you can see. I'll show you in a bit. Yes, traders, as you can see, it's a cent account. I don't even have to show that it's a real account, obviously, because again, this is a cent account, traders. So as you can see, I deposited $1, which is 100 cents, as you can see right there. And I've been trying, I've been doing this so that I can show you, so that I can be able to make this video. So as you can see, I've been taking these trades, as you can see. I've been taking these trades, as you can see. So literally now, our 100, we have made 500 more, as you can see. So with the cent account, you can still use your 0.01 lot size. You see, you can use, because these are like micro lots, you can use them here. You can use a 0.10, you understand? On a cent account. You can even use a 1 lot size if your account, the bigger it becomes, you see. So now you can see, traders, we said this account with only $1, so meaning this is 700 cents our balance, meaning now we have $7, you can see. And I'm literally going to just keep on doing this. I'm going to play with this account until it has more than $100 that I've made with only $1. This is how I'm going to be growing this account, guys. So the reason why I'm making this video, guys, it's not only for you to use these cent accounts I want you guys to learn how to backtest. Anytime when you are backtesting your trade, always make sure to come here and place your trade on your cent account, because it doesn't cost you anything, It doesn't cost you anything. For those that are afraid of losing money, a cent account would be the best choice for you guys. It would be the best choice for you, as you can see. You can place a 0.10 lot size. Yes, literally these are just digits. The only difference you see here, AUC, this is cents. You can even see here gold, then there's that small c. It means this is a cent account, traders. I repeat, this is a cent account, but these digits, literally the same way the price is moving in the cent account, the same way price is moving in the in your real account. So if you place this number of lots, or even on your standard account, this is the same loss you'll be having, but the only difference here, the money is displayed in cents. I hope you guys have understood that. So let me jump back to my thing. So how to grow the small account, guys? Anytime when you have a strategy or anything. So let's say I'll show you one of the strategies. So depending on the strategy that I took today, I placed this one also on my big account. I made so crazy much money on this gold trade. This one here down. You can see I took out 30 pips on this gold trade, and also I took this USD JPY from last week. So let me explain to you how I took these trades. Whatever trade I'm placing here is what I'm placing on my standard account, which is the big one. So let's first look at USD JPY, just like this. So this is our chart, traders. You can see this is our chart, USD JPY. So again, price was currently floating at a major zone, which was this one right here, as you can see. So meaning this is our resistance zone. Price fall to break here, price fall to break here. Then I read an article somewhere where Japan is warning people. Okay, Japan is giving out warnings. They're soon going to pump more than $300 billion into the market so that they can see if the JPY can recover. So one of those things, you can even see how price dropped 130 pips from here to here, this gap here, when the market's open today, when the market's open today in the midnight. So you can see how price opened and then gave us this 130 pip range. So me, I took my trade obviously basing off the fundamental analysis that whatever is happening soon, Japan is going to pump in that money, understand? But also this open right here, you can see. But again, price didn't break this zone here, which is my resistance zone here, as you can see, traders. Again, when you come to your 4 hour candle like this, so this is our 4 hour candle time frame, as you can see. Still, that was a valid zone right there, as you can see, and then price was dropping down to this zone right here. You know what these Doge candles also represent? Demand zones. That's why when you see price when it reached down here, it bounced off. So again, traders, any strategy that you have, if you think price is going to go anywhere, come here, take your trade. Come here, place your trade. Here you're going to have less emotions, but at least it will help you maneuver around with these lot sizes. You won't be afraid. Like this gold pair, you can see. So again, I took another nice trade on gold. So I took my trade up here. I'll show you, traders. I took my gold pair trade up here. You can see. So what I did, I even posted this on my Instagram. I said, I'm going to take a trade here, a sold trade. But I thought in my head, where would I put my stop loss? I said here. Then what I did was I was like, okay, where I'm going to put my stop loss is where I'm going to put my entry. And look where I put my entry. I put it up here. I put my stop loss above there. And price just dropped. That's why you see these profits here for gold. These ones, 30 pips. So price dropped just from up there to somewhere in the middle here. And I was already out with profits on my huge account. On this one, obviously, again, this is just for you guys to learn. You see, I'm also taking my time to grow this. I want to see how far can I grow this account from $1. I want to keep on growing it. If I can grow this up to even $1,000, which will be probably around 10,000 cents, if I'm not mistaken. Because here we have what 700 cents, meaning for me I want to grow this up to, let's say, 100,000 cents, which probably will be $1,000, I think. You understand? But again, you're trading. This is less risky. This, you can use this to trade every single day if you're a day trader. But if you're a swing trader, you can use this to anytime when you have like really a good move, aggressively put your big lot sizes. You understand? When you lose this money, it's not going to pain you. You understand? But again, you are trading, at least in the real markets. You can even withdraw this money, guys. You can even withdraw it. You understand? This is $7. You can withdraw $7. This is Xness, you can see. With Xness, the minimum withdraw is, I think, $3. And this is $7, you can see, because that's 700 cents. You see, traders? So, guys, I want you guys to use a cent account. Anytime when you're back testing, make sure to use a cent account. You understand? For those that are beginner traders and you're really afraid of learning how to grow your accounts, but using certain accounts, put your money here. If you have $10, put it in here into a set account. Here you have 1,000 cents. Start growing that account. You know, make sure if you put a stop loss, put a take profit. Don't trade naked. At least it's going to give you confidence. You understand? Don't you understand? These are just figures. These are just figures, traders. Money is just a tool. This is something that most of you guys have to understand. You understand? There's no difference here on the other side. Here, it's just our psychology that tells us, okay, this is just cents. But in actual sense, these are just figures, traders. So we don't need to have feelings over money, because money obviously doesn't have feelings, traders. So again, traders, go for the set accounts. As you can see, whatever profits you see here, this is the same profits that I have even on my big account. You can see whatever profits you guys see here, they're the same profits I have on my account. I can even literally sometimes place like so many trades like this. You can see this is 0.01. So traders, look at this. This is 0.01. So here you see $8. Most of you guys may think that this is just $8. This is 80 pips. Remember, 0.01 gives us 10 cents per pip. So this is 80 pips, you can see. So I'm literally going aggressive on this account also. You understand? I'm going to be going aggressive. You can see this is 110 pips. Look at that gold. And you can see here, take profit hit. But these are some things I'm placing even on my real account. I mean on my big account. These are some trades I'm placing. As you can see, traders. So I'm just going to be playing with this one. Whatever trade I'm placing this side, I'm going to also place it this side. You understand? I see how far can I go. Traders, I'm going to grow this account and grow it and grow it. And I'll be showing you everything. But the reason I've made this video, this is how, guys, you can learn how to grow a small account. This is how you can learn. Now imagine if this was $100 that I deposited here. This would be, I've already made $500 profits. You understand? I'm risking what I'm willing to lose. And I'm making sure to stay into the markets until my take profits are hit, traders. Guys, make sure to learn how to trade. Stop trading with emotions. Improve your psychology, guys. Stop going to parties. Most of you guys spend your small earned money on parties and all these things, instead of spending your money on things that are going to add up to you traders. Guys, it really hurts to see struggling traders, and try going to parties and all these small things, but you neglect the bigger things, traders. That $1 you want to spoil. I see most of you guys spoil money. That $30 you want to spoil on taking out your girlfriend. Why don't you deposit it in this account? When you deposit $30 here, you're going to see, now let's say if you deposit $30 here, so here you'll be seeing 3,000 cents. Trade with that. See if you won't grow that money, traders. Remember, with the cent account, it helps you to use lot sizes that you can't use on your $30 account, a standard one. So guys, make sure to use these same strategies again. My strategies are simple. Today I wasn't really teaching a strategy. I just want to talk about this cent account, that you can use it to grow your account. You can use a cent account to grow your money. Very less risky. It's good for beginner traders. But if you're also a struggling trader, you can still use it. There is no shame in using this account. This is a learning process. You never want to lose your money when you're learning. You understand? Never much we're supposed to lose money, but at least put your money here and trade it, guys. So if you have enjoyed this video, again, traders, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. In my next video, I'm going to be making a strategy for you traders.